In the years to come, climate change will force hundreds of millions of people to leave their homes. Climate change is compelling people to leave the place they called home. Sudden changes like floods, wildfires, and droughts put the future of people on risk. The question is the security of climate migrants. The World Bank estimates that climate change will create up to 86 million additional migrants in sub-Saharan Africa, 40 millions in South Asia, and 17 millions in Latin America, leading to a total of 143 million climate migrants by 2050. The climate migrants not only suffer from loss of land and shelter, but educational facilities, employment, food insecurity, increased mobility, and negative psychological impacts and whatnot. Therefore, responses to climate change should align with conflict prevention and peace-building actions. A welcome environment must be created for people displaced by extreme events. By taking inclusive climate action in cities and countries globally, we can ensure no one is left behind.